Hello students, how are you all? Today I am starting with a new chapter, Coins and Notes. Chapter number 7, Coins and Notes. Kindly be ready with your pencil and eraser. Page number 39. Okay, exchanging big coins and notes for smaller ones. Okay, what is the meaning of exchanging big coins? See, if you have a 1 rupees coin, okay, now you want to divide it or exchange it for 250 paisa coins. Value will be same. Value will be 1 rupees only. 50 paisa plus 50 paisa is 100 paisa. 100 paisa is equal to 1 rupees. Okay. 100 paise is equal to 1 rupees, right children? So 50 paisa plus 50 paisa is 1 rupees. So if you, for example, if you want to give, there are 2 small children and you want to give them 50 paisa, but you have a 1 rupee coin. So what you will do, children? You will exchange it. Your mother must be having 250 paisa coin. So what she will say, take this 250 paisa coin, give 1 to Ram and give 1 to Sham. Okay, so this is known as exchanging. Sometimes even we do know. So it is basically बड़े अमाउंट को छोटे छोटे पार्ट्स में डिवाइड करना. छोटे अमाउंट में, जैसे हम लोग 500 रुपीज लेके जाते हैं और बोलते हैं छुट्टा दे दो प्लीज, छुट्टा दे दो. तो 500 रुपीज का अगर आप बड़ा नोट देते हो तो आपको शॉपकीपर क्या करता है, 100 रुपीज के 5 नोट्स देता है, 50 रुपीज के 10 नोट्स देता है. तो वो क्या हो गया, एक्सचेंजिंग बिग कॉइन्स नोट्स फॉर अ स्मॉलर कॉइन. नाउ सी, द चेंज फॉर 2 रुपीज इज, नाउ देयर इज अ 2 रुपीज. ओके, अब इसको हमें कैसे हम इसको एक्सचेंज कर सकते हैं स्मॉल कॉइन्स में. नाउ देयर इज दिस 2 रुपीज. सी, इफ यू हैव 50 पैसा प्लस 50 पैसा विच इज 1 रुपीज, अगेन 150 पैसा विच इज 150 पैसा, देन अगेन यू हैव one more 50 paisa. So 50 plus 50 plus 50 plus 50 will be 450 paisa coins, which will make 2 rupees. Okay, 450 paisa coin will make 2 rupees because 100 paisa is equal to 1 rupees. No, so when you have 450 paisa coins means which is 200 paisa. 200 paisa means 2 rupees. Okay children, so 450 paisa coins will make 2 rupees. Then okay, you don't, 50 पैसे से तो हो गया. Now if you want to divide it with, you want to exchange with, you want 1 rupees coin only. You are like, I don't want 50 paisa coin, I want 1 rupees only. So what you will do, children? So the shopkeeper or anybody from whom you are taking exchange or from whom you are exchanging your money will give you 1 rupee coin, which will also make 2 rupees. दो 1 रुपए का कॉइन होगा तो वो कितना बनाएगा, 2 रुपीज, राइट. देन द थर्ड एग्जाम्पल, आई वॉन्ट मिक्स. मुझे 1 रुपीज भी चाहिए, 50 पैसा भी चाहिए, पर मुझे 2 रुपीज का एक्सचेंज चाहिए, चेंज चाहिए. सो द शॉपकीपर विल गिव यू 1 रुपीज, 50 पैसा, 50 पैसा. सो दैट विल ऑल्सो मेक 2 रुपीज. मतलब आप 4 50 पैसा ले लो, 2 रुपीज, 1 रुपी कॉइन ले लो, या 1 रुपी एंड 250 पैसा ले लो. द अमाउंट विल रिमेन 2 rupees only, right children? Now let us change for a 5 rupee coin is 5 rupees का coin है. Now 1 rupee, 1 rupee, 1 rupee, 1 rupee, 1 rupee. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many 1 rupee coins are there? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, here in the picture you can see there are two 2 rupees coins. 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 plus 1 is, so how many 2 rupees coins are there? 2. So 2 plus 2 is 4, or 2 2s are 4. And there is one 1 rupee coin. Okay, अब देखो, all 50 paisa. So 5 rupees is there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 paisa. What is 10 paisa, children? 500 paisa. So 500 paisa is equal to 5 rupees. So how many 50 paisa coins are there? 10. Okay, basic. So there is 100 rupees, 100 rupees, 100 rupees, 100 rupees. So there is 400 rupees. This is 400 rupees. Okay, then Nandu brings a change for 50 rupees, 20 rupees, 10 rupees, 10 rupees. So this becomes 50 plus 20, 70, 70 plus 10, 10, 90. Okay, and this is 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. So this is 90. Total 90 हो गया. And here this is 2 5s are 10. 2 coins, 2 rupees, 5 coins will make 10 rupees. Okay, children. So what happens? So she gets a change of 500 rupees. Now, see, they have explained. 20 plus, this is the change. From this now she gives the milkman change. Okay. So 400 and she has to give 50. So she will give this all the 400 rupees notes. 3, 4 and this note and then 2 rupees. So it will become 452 rupees which she will pay to the milkman. Okay, from 500 rupees. Now see, if you want to split 50 rupees, अभी 50 rupees को मुझे break करना है, change निकालना है. So 50 can be 20 plus 20 plus 10. Okay children? अगर 220 rupees के नोट होंगे तो वो 40 rupees होगा और प्लस 10 करोगे तो क्या हो जाएगा? 50 हो जाएगा. Then 10 plus, if you want to get more change, if you want to break it more, so 10 rupees, 10 rupees, 10 rupees, 10 rupees, 10 rupees. अभी हम लोग घर पे नवरात्रों में कन्या पूजा करते हैं ना, तो उसमें गर्ल्स को हम लोग 10 रुपीज करके देते हैं. तो मम्मी क्या बोलती है, 100 रुपीज का चेंज लाओ, 9 लड़कियों को देना है तो 10 रुपए चाहिए, प्लीज ब्रिंग चेंज ऑफ 100 रुपीज. सो व्हाट यू डू, you bring 10 rupees notes. No, so it becomes easy if you want to give somebody, if you want to distribute to somebody. The change of 50 rupees note is 2 20 rupees note and 1 10 rupees note. See, ऐसे भी change मिल सकता है and you can split it into 10 rupees note also. 5 10 rupees note. Describe other ways of getting change for the note. अभी ये क्या बोल रहा है कि ये तो हमने 20 का दिखा दिया, 10 का दिखा दिया, 50 का और कैसे चेंज ला सकते हो? 5 रुपीज के कॉइन्स ला सकते हो ना. 5 रुपीज के, if you will have, how many coins you should have? You should have 10 coins. If you have 5 rupees, 10 coins, 10 coins of 5 rupees, so it will become 50. हाँ, so you can do 1 rupees के भी 50 coins ले लो, 50 coins 1 rupees के ले लो, so it will become 50 rupees. Now see, 20 rupees, how you can split? See, 5 rupees के 4 coins will make 20 rupees. 5 4s are 20. So 5 rupees, 4 coins will make 20. Then 10 rupees, 2 coins will make 20. And see, if you want to do a mix bag, so what you can do, 10 rupees, 5 rupees, 5 rupees. So it will make 20. The change for 20 rupees note is 5 rupees coins or 2 10 rupees coin or 10 rupees coin and 2 5 rupees coin. Describe other ways of getting change for notes. So you can get 1 rupee coin, 20 coins of 1 rupee. Okay, or you can get 2 rupees 10 coins. If you bring 2 rupees 10 coins, that will also make 20. Okay. Today I'm stopping here. I hope you all have understood this part, and in the next class I will solve page number 41 and 42. Okay, thank you children. As you can see in the next sum, the change of 10 rupees coin is, if you want to exchange 10 rupees for all these smaller coins. Okay, so what you will do, if you require, how many 50 paise coins you will require to make 10 rupees? कितने 50 पैसे coins लगेंगे to make 10 rupees? See, above here, how many 50 paisa coins you require to make 5 rupees? तो यहाँ है 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So similarly, if you want to make 10 rupees from 50 paise coins, how many 50 paise coins you will require? 20. Now, how many 1 rupees coin you will require to make 10 rupees? कितने 1 rupees coin लगेंगे? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, so how many coins you will require? 10. 2 rupees coins, how many 2 rupees coins you will require? 2 2 4 2 2 2 2 plus 2 4 4 plus 2 6 6 plus 2 8 8 plus 2 10. So how many coins you will require? 5. Now if you want to use 2 rupees coin also and 1 rupees coin also, so how you will do that children? See, for example, I will use 4 coins of 2 rupees. So 2 2 2 and 2. So this will make 2 plus 2 4. 4 plus 2 8. 8 plus 2, sorry, 2 plus 2 4. 4 plus 2 6. 6 plus 2 8. And how many? So you will require 4 coins to make 8 rupees. And how many 1 rupees coin you will use? 1 2. So 2, which will make 8 plus 2 10. So you will get 10 rupees, right children? 10 rupees coin. How many 5 rupees coins you will require to make 10 rupees? 5 plus 5. How many coins you will require? 2. Okay children, I hope you have understood. See, you can do all this fun activity, arrange so many coins at your home and try and solve it. Okay.